Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to disable BattleEye on GTA 5. So you might want to disable BattleEye on GTA 5 because you have mods on Rainbow Six or GTA 5 or any other game on your computer that's interfering with BattleEye, so it considers it as a cheat, so you can't launch your game. Now the primal solution to this problem is to just disable BattleEye. So let's get straight into it. First, go to your search bar and then type Rockstar Games Launcher. After that, open the launcher and then select GTA 5. So this tutorial is only for GTA 5. You can do it also for Red Dead Redemption or any other game in your library. But in this tutorial, I'll just do for GTA 5. So choose GTA 5, make sure that it's on Grand Theft Auto 5, and then here in the screen, you will have to choose the settings button in the top right corner. So look for it. After that, you will find this panel where it says BattleEye with a yellow ticked box. So from here, it's pretty obvious. You just need to untick this box and you will be able to disable BattleEye. Now, once you click on it for one time, it will be in gray like that and it will be unticked and disabled. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.